Hello and welcome to this video on the best websites to make money online. If you're looking for ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore some of the best websites to make money online. Number 1, Swagbucks. This website pays you for completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. You can also earn cashback for online shopping and get paid for searching the web. Swagbucks is free to join and has paid out over $400 million to its users. Number 2, Fiverr. This is a platform that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. You can offer a range of services on Fiverr, including graphic design, writing, social media management, and more. You set your own prices and can earn a decent income if you have a skill that's in demand. Number 3, Upwork. This is another freelance platform that connects businesses with freelancers. Upwork has a wide range of categories, including web development, writing, and design. You can set your own rates and work with clients from around the world. Number 4, Etsy. Etsy is a great website to check out. This website allows you to sell handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. You can set up your own shop and sell to customers from around the world. Number 5, Amazon. With Amazon, you can sell almost anything, from books to electronics to clothing. You can even use the Amazon FBA program to store and ship your products for you, making it a great option for those who don't have their own storage space. Number 6, YouTube. While it may not be an obvious choice for making money, many YouTubers are able to earn a significant income from their channels. You can monetize your videos with ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. In conclusion, these are just some of the best websites to make money online. Whether you're looking to offer your services as a freelancer, sell your own products, or monetize your YouTube channel, there are many opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.